An excellent resource for students and flight instructors alike, the Helicopter Maneuvers Manual helps pilots acquire a mental picture of each phase of flight. With this comprehensive guide, author Ryan Dale has captured his countless hours spent at the whiteboard in full-color illustrations that show exactly what to do or expect in each part of a maneuver. The information in this guide helps pilots visualize concepts learned in flight training and incorporate the practical test standards into every maneuver. The full-color illustrations and textual explanations work in conjunction with an instructor's lessons and facilitate effective pre-flight and post-flight briefings. The Helicopter Maneuvers Manual gives readers a crystal clear picture of what level of performance is expected of them for each flight profile and includes insights into the common errors associated with each maneuver. Applicable to all helicopter models, the book also features tips for the popular Robinson R-22 helicopter. ASA's Helicopter Maneuvers Manual by Ryan Dale is an essential tool for any flight bag.